Hi everyone, in this tutorial now we are going to see how to get the AWS free certification that has been given by AWS trusted site. So let's go now. Just open, I am just copy paste. I'm just go to the link aws.amazon.com/training/ nc2 equal to sp_tc. So the link that has been given in the description, you can click the link in the description and you can directly go to this screen that has been showing now. In this screen that you go to get started. It will open the new tab and is going to AWS training and certification. Here is the option that we need to be create an account. If you don't have an account, just you can click the create account button and you can create the account and you need to be sign in. So now what I can do, I can just go to create the account, and here you have two options is here, Amazon and Amazon Partner Network. So I am going with the Amazon sign in. So what happened, I'm already having the signing account, so I am just logging with my signing account. If you're not having the signing account, you can directly click here and create your account and you need to be sign in. So I'm just giving not now. So now I'm not adding my mobile number. If required, you can add your mobile number. See now I'm just going with my account. So it's discovering the content that we having the free certification that have been generated by AWS. So here you can see AWS Cloud Part is essential, introduction to AWS Elastic Computer Cloud, and introduction to serverless deployment. So here is the free training that has been showing here. So first I am going to the Elastic Fundamental EC2. Here you can see just launch. Here you can see the free course is there. So showing now started, you start the course on April 6th. So starts popping. So resume. Launch course. So here is the free course that has been given by AWS. So what we can do, you want to complete this course so I am going to attend the first training. So I am just skipping the training that we have been doing now. Yeah, here you can see the certification option is enabled. So certification of completion, just you want to click here and you will get the certification of the completed course. See, this is the certification that has been shared by AWS. This is the trusted site. So then you okay, so just I can just go into here and you can check the profile, subscription details, everything, bill history and profile also. I'm going to dashboard. So recently completed course that has been shown. So here this multiple courses there that will be showing here. So you can just view all cloud fundamental training. So it will show all the course that has been enabled by AWS. So here you can see compute instance code, machine learning, it will be like free only. So server computing, so this is all under free course that has been given by AWS. You want to be just click and complete, and of course complete the training, you will get the certification. Here you can click and download. So that is guys, so now you can know how to get the AWS free certification in AWS site. So in the next video we can see with different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.